Hey, what's going on, loves, and welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Chef Monty. If you are a new subscriber here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and also the post notification bell so you know when I'm dropping new videos and also new content. Now, y'all, I told y'all I was coming back with this 2x spicy noodle challenge that's been on YouTube, and it was a complete fail. I want my money back. I promise y'all, I want my money back. But no, y'all, it was hilarious, it was fun, and I hope you enjoy. What's going on, y'all, and welcome back to Cooking with Chef Monty. I told y'all I was coming back with the 2x spicy noodle challenge. I'm gonna link it somewhere up here, whatever like that. So we just gonna get straight into it. Mukbang challenge, whatever you gonna call it. Okay. Anyhow, we're gonna go ahead and say our grace and then we're gonna get into it. We're just gonna chat and yeah. And we're done. Hello. So I know y'all probably can't see it. I got a little cucumber. Yeah, a little cucumber. Little bull egg for the girls. A little sriracha. And then I got my noodles right here. You probably can't see it too well because of the light in here. And then also I got shrimp mixed into it. And a little chop. Oh, all right, I'm back. So we're going to get straight into it. Look, Lord, I thank you for this food I'm about to receive it. In the precious name of Jesus, I pray. Amen. Amen. So, I was thinking that this was the one that everybody was like using on YouTube. But when I opened the pack, everything was powdered. And it was a whole nother situation. So I went out and brought some of this to go on top to kind of like spice it up a taste. So I'm going to go ahead and just pour some over the top. Okay. I like spicy stuff. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Okay. So we just going to mix it. And I'm not the best with chopsticks. If anything comes down to it, I got 10 of these, maybe 11, okay? But we just gonna talk, y'all, and try out this challenge, mukbang type of situation. My tray keep on moving. What's going on here? Little cucumber. We'll mix this up. And it was already a little bit spicy, but we're going to see what it's hitting on. Okay. And they were like 69 cents for a pack. I got 2 packs. Y'all want some? It is hot. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. What up, Papa? Cucumber break. Go ahead and sponsor me. Yeah, but I just want to come on here and just thank everybody that's been supporting my channel. My goal was to reach 50 subscribers, I guess in like a month's time or whatever, and I'm surpassing that. I think I'm like at 41 or so. So if you come across my page, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I think my videos are awesome. So yeah, make it do what it's gonna do. This is hot. I ain't gonna hold y'all. This is no spicy. Okay. Oh, that's good though. Little shrimp. Fat girl dance. That's wrong. Sponsor me. Sriracha. Hit me up, okay? Yeah! Alright, no. Oh, bull egg. Perfectly cooked. My knuckles are ashy. Why didn't y'all tell me to put some lotion on before I came on here? Okay. Take a little bit off. Jesus, it's hot. Yeah, that's enough. Oh, hot abba. Ooh. Ah, almost choked. Cucumber. Right. I like sriracha, but this is hot. Along with, this is too much right here for me, but I don't think I should do that. We're gonna wait. Eat some more of these noodles. Jesus, where the juice at? Jesus. Jesus. Woo! It's hot. I want to know from you guys what type of content or recipes I'm definitely going to be up in my channel. I had to try to get like the gist of it or whatever, but I'm definitely going to stick to trying to post 2 videos a week, plus like a reaction video and some more stuff that I'm conjuring up in my mind. In my mind, I'm coming up with a lot of stuff. This is hot. I'm trying to reflect and try and talk to y'all, but my tongue is is in Satan's butthole right now. If you know what that means, I hope you don't, but hello. And the cucumber is helping a little bit, but Jesus. Snotting. Your grandma be like, you snotting? Yeah, my nose running, girl, you snotting. Oh, here we go. Okay. God help it get in there. God. But yeah, that's just spicy. This joint is hot. Telling y'all. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. It's hot. Remind me, don't do no more challenges. I'm just gonna get the old. Jesus. Ooh, this challenge about to be over with. Oh my gosh. Miss Mary had a man. Oh, Y'all, this joint. Ooh. Spicy. I'm not even exaggerating. This joint is hot. Plus, the sriracha. Cheers. Oh God. Maybe you blow. If I blow on it, maybe it get. Okay. It's hot, y'all. It's extremely hot. I should have just did 1 packet or half a packet. Lord. How much is that doggy in the window? I do. Yeah. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to come and on a serious note, just thank everybody that's been subscribing to my page. I can't even talk. My tongue feel like it's back here. I'm back. Challenge fail. Y'all can have this one. Hello. Period. I want my 69 cent back. I'm gonna take the tray right in there. Hello, here y'all cucumbers, your sriracha, your eggs. I brought everything from the store. Give my money back. Run me my money. Hello. I'm gonna take one more bite. No wasted my shrimp. Got my shrimp all in it. Gosh. I'm gonna take one more bite. Here to bite. But I just want to thank everybody that's been, like I said, shouting me out. Definitely on my Instagram page, who's been coming over here. That's been all my new subscribers and everything. Thank you so much for just watching and also liking and also sharing. This is over with. Y'all got me messed up on today. Remember, through Christ, we can do all things. And that's on period. That's on Christ. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.